Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft feed bag in Hytale. The first thing I want you to do is actually craft a workbench, and to do that just press tab on your keyboard and then you open up the pocket crafting menu. From here click on workbench. All you need is 4 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone. Craft this, and then from here press F to open up the workbench. Click on this for the crafting section, and I want you to craft a farmer's workbench. For this you'll need 6 pieces of any tree trunk, 20 pieces of plant fiber. Craft this up. Come here, press F to open up the farmer's workbench, and then here in the farming section you'll see feed bag. You'll need 10 pieces of wheat, 5 pieces of any type of vegetable, 5 pieces of any type of fruit, and 10 pieces of the essence of life, which you can actually find around plants when you go ahead and destroy them. Then you just come here, you click on craft, and as you can see, we're crafting our feed bag, which you can use to go ahead and hold feed for animals, right? Really that easy, and that is how to craft feed bag in Hytale. Now, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.